Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick walk around video here on the Lucid. You see Nate's walking up to it. As he gets close to it, the door handles open up, allowing him to get in. All right, we're gonna make our way over to the front, which you can open up through the little iPad or the center display there. Nice little storage compartment right there. Close that up. Okay, and then just as a press of a button, Nate can go ahead and close it from the inside. Go ahead and continue walking around the vehicle here. Go ahead and continue walking around the vehicle. You can see this really neat front windshield that goes all the way back. You see Nate's gonna go ahead and demonstrate the shade going up and down. Is in a down position. It's going up. Okay. He's gonna go ahead and open up the rear. You have a second set of floor mats back here. You have also the charger. For the fast charging, you go ahead and attach that at the end, or for regular charging, go ahead and put it there. Put the the charging speeds in the comments down below. And then you have this little compartment here that has an extension cord and some other accessories for charging. Nate can go ahead and close it from the inside, or you can just hit the button and it starts closing. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside here. It's a really nice color palette on the inside. There's a look at that front windshield that goes all the way back, and you kind of have your floating visors there, which is kind of neat. Take a look at the cluster. This is where he was opening and closing everything. You do your child lock. There's your shade. Open up the trunk. Open up the front. This is where you would open the charging port, or you have a couple little quick things there, like fog lights, windshield wiper, all of that is in there, and unlock and lock the car. Let's go ahead and take a look. And there's your charging port, open and ready for charging.